Hey guys, welcome as to the making of this video. It is mid-June of 2025, and a year ago I got my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport S, and it's been a full year right now, and I've done a lot to it compared to when I first got it sort of stock. In comparison, I'll show you what it looks like as of mid-June 2025 compared to a year ago, June 2024. There it is. So I'm not gonna, describe or tell you all the features and mods and everything that I've done to it, but you could just take a look. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.